Nigerian parents stormed JAMB office to protest over their children's low exam scores in the Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination. It will be recalled that the JAMB board had revealed in a report a week ago that 70% of those who registered for the exam had scored below 200. Many individuals had expressed concerns over the scores, as many who had recorded low scores had high scores in their last JAMB. Parents were seen at the JAMB office calling for a review of the results that were released. NaijaNews reports that there have been complaints from some states within the Federation following the official release of results last Friday. As part of measures, the board disclosed that it is fast-forwarding its annual system review and has engaged a number of experts to identify and rectify any potential technical issues. The board assured that if it is discovered from the review that there were glitches, appropriate remedial measures would be taken.
This is JAMB office. You can see now. This is JAMB office. We are at the gate, and they have refused to attend to us. They have refused to attend to the parents. Look at parents. You can see now. Look at parents. Everybody is upset. High performing students are scoring 140 something in JAMB. 140 something, 130 something. And the security man is talking anyhow to the parents. Don't push anybody, don't push any parent.
We will continue to keep a close eye on this story for more news updates. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.